A great exercise to help develop total body power and coordination is the one-arm dumbbell snatch. Now hopefully you watched our tutorial earlier on the barbell, because I'm going to kind of cut some corners here, because a lot of the same things apply. We want to do this in stages. We don't want to just try to go with the dumbbell and start throwing the weight overhead, right? We know that we've got to get our hips back. This is the hang position, right? Being able to be in this like little bit of a hinge. So straight line from the ear to the shoulder to the hips. From here, I'm using the force. I'm pushing force into the ground to get my upper body to straighten up. And if I have this all zipped up the right way, it's going to actually lift the weight. So I could do this as a one-arm deadlift a few times. And then I want to progress to more of a hinge to a shrug, just like we did with the barbell. So hinge and shrug. Hinge and shrug. And the whole time I'm getting that timing of pop the hips forward to drive the shrug. If I do that out of order, if I shrug too early and my coordination's off, I'm not going to get the same effect. The next thing would be to do the hinge, and I would do the hinge a few times, do the shrug a few times. If they're ready for it, maybe in the next set, I would increase it to the pull. So a high pull with one arm would look like this. It's the hinge, I get the shrug, and then I'm going to pull this up, but I'm going to do it in a way that's coordinated and fast, like this. So hips, pop and shrug, pop and shrug, or I should say pop, shrug, pull, right? So it's pop, shrug, pull. So the push of force into the ground drives my shoulder back into the shrug and into this position. Now, I feel the pulse at the bottom part of this hold, but I don't feel it from here to here because I've got the weight moving so fast that there's a moment where the weight almost becomes weightless. I can get underneath from there, right? And that's my moment to start to work on that pop and get underneath. Pop and get underneath. So I'm getting the hinge, I'm getting the shrug, I'm getting the high pull, and getting underneath the dumbbell.